Here's Goldwagen's expert advice on how to find the right parts for your vehicle. Now, we know that this can be an intimidating experience, but it doesn't have to be if you follow these simple steps. Number 1, check the make, model and year of your vehicle. This information is usually found on your vehicle registration or insurance documents, as well as in the owner's manual. 2, what part do you need? If you're unsure, contact your mechanic or a reputable vehicle part outlet like Goldwagen. 3, it's best to use a trusted parts supplier. There are many vehicle parts stores and online retailers, but not all of them are created equal. Find a reputable supplier that specializes in parts for your vehicle make and model. 4, compatibility is super important. Make sure that the replacement part you're considering is compatible with your vehicle. Check the part number, dimensions and specifications to ensure that it will work with your vehicle. 5, consider quality. While price is a factor, don't go cheap at the expense of quality. In South Africa, we have a saying that says, "Goedkoop is duurkoop." A reliable vehicle needs reliable quality parts. Find parts from a reputable manufacturer that understands this. Number 6, a warranty provides some assurance that if a part fails, it can be replaced. Remember that a warranty is for factory defects and not failures due to external factors such as incorrect fitment. Always check if a part comes with a warranty or a guarantee. Finding the right replacement part for your vehicle takes time, especially if it's something that you don't do on a regular basis. Doing research will save you time and money and hoof pain. But you could also just simply go to your nearest Goldwagen. We'll get you sorted. Chop chop. Sharing is caring. When you know, you know. So, get in the know. Goldwagen, the parts supplier of choice catering for all top vehicle brands.